Okay, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make mozzarella stuffed jalapenos wrapped in bacon. And with seasoning. Love this part. So first thing you're going to need to do is clean out your jalapenos, make them hollow. Don't leave no seeds in it or the core. Pull it out. And then take your assortment of herbs, whatever you want to use, and then put it on a plate, and then take these mozzarella sticks. It's the easiest way. And you just roll them in it. Just roll, and it all stick all over it. And then what you want to do is take your jalapeno that you cleaned out, and you just want to stuff it in there. Just push it down as good as you can, and then you're going to want to cut off whatever's left. Now make sure you go in a little bit on the jalapeno and cut so it leaves a little bit of it. Yeah, like that. And then you'll want to wrap it in bacon now. And that's an easy way to do it. Alright, so you just want to take your jalapeno, wrap your bacon around it. Try to get the end a little closed if you can. Stuff it in there. It don't matter. You're going to put it in full and cook the heck out of it anyways. But you just want to wrap it up. I used a whole piece of bacon on these. There it is. That's going to be good. Now we're going to finish up the rest of these, and I'll come back and show you what they look like when they're done. So there it is. It's that easy. Now we're going to cook them. Boy, they look good, don't they? See, until the bacon was done. And you just add them to any meal, really. I'm having a baked potato with barbecue brisket on it, some peppers and onions, and some fresh cucumbers from the garden. Heck of a meal. They're going to be tasty.